Yep, check this one out.
Here's the Cowboy cough syrup. It gives you a full list of ingredients, even gives you the benefits of those ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and proper dosage. And that was just one of the almost 300 herbal remedies this book has to offer. It even gives you information on side effects and allergies, as well as interactions with medication. My favorite part is the table of contents is set up like a real herbal apothecary, so it feels like you're really walking down the aisles, picking exactly what you need right off the shelves. The author, Dr. Nicole Apelian, is an herbalist who has been studying holistic health and herbal remedies for over 30 years and has compiled all that knowledge into this book, The Forgotten Home Apothecary. If you guys want to grab a copy, they just restocked, so click that link before they sell out.